Tricorn Black is the best black paint you can get, and there are several reasons why. If you're considering Tricorn Black from Sherwin Williams, here's what you need to know. Undertones, LRV, and flawless color pairings, all in just a few minutes. So let's go. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Tricorn Black is touted as being the one true black paint color that Sherwin Williams offers. It is black as the night, super dark color with an LRV of 3. That means it only reflects 3% of the light that hits it. That means it's dark. It's gonna look very, very dark. I find it to be really a true to form black paint that can sometimes feel maybe a touch on the cool side, but that's not really because of the color itself. It's usually based on the lighting that is being hit onto it. But based on my experience using it regularly, I find the cool aspect to not be a problem. Unless you're looking for something specifically warmer and chocolatey maybe, then look elsewhere. But if you want a black paint color for whatever reason, this is one you really need to consider. On the inside of the home, it could be an excellent choice as a trim and door color if you wanted black rather than white, or a dramatic room color to really just envelop that darkness for whatever reason. On the outside of the home as an exterior color, same thing. Awesome trim color choice, great garage door color, or even a front door option. You can maybe use it as a main body color if you wanted everything super dark black, but personally I tend to favor those more off blacks or charcoal colors on the main body of the home. Now if you're really excited about Tricorn Black, you're going to want to know some color pairings for it. Let's go over to the computer and I'll show you some of my favorites. So starting with Tricorn Black, the color of the video, as you can see here, Sherwin Williams gives us some beautiful information on the color, including the LRV, which is 3, super low, super dark color. You can even see the RGB value here, which is letting us know that this is a very balanced color. There's very few paint colors that exist below a 3 LRV, so if you're looking for jet black, this is what you're getting here. It's also been involved in a ton of different Sherwin Williams color collections, which is very, very good news. It means it's popular, it is usable, people are using this color, and so should you, because it's awesome. Now, in terms of color pairings, my white option would be cold foam. I love this combination of deep dark black and a soft white that isn't too yellow, too creamy. It has a little bit of a beiginess, a grayiness that I really enjoy, and its LRV is only 84, so it's not super crisp. You're not going too high contrast, but there is going to be a large amount of it because you're starting with Tricorn Black after all, which is as dark as it gets. Anytime you want to use a white with Tricorn Black, my favorite is going to be cold foam. I just love the way these two look together. My light color pairing, if you wanted something with a little more depth than a white, let's say, simple stone would be my choice. And this is going to be a beautiful grayish. 57 LRV, wonderful balance of gray and beige coming together, maybe even a little bit of an earthy stone-like coloration that can veer towards the green side of things slightly, but I think it's beautiful and pretty much timeless in my books. Then our bright color pairing, which is the really fun choice. If you need an accent color for black, you really can pick anything you want, but I'm going to offer you something a little fun and whimsical, and that is, of course, wishful blue. We are seeing purple have a bit of a moment these days. Instead of going towards the plum side of things, I'm opting for a bit of a periwinkle, more of an icy, frigid, frosty, dare I say, wintry blue purple. And this is going to be a 72 LRV paint color. So other than cold foam, which is that white choice we talked about, this is going to be the lightest color in this grouping of colors. And I think it's an awesome accent choice, even on things like cabinets, if you wanted to, vanities, a fun living or family room where you want it to feel a little more airy and just playful. This will be a fun choice for you. I mentioned earlier, Tricorn Black is one of my favorite choices for doors. I also used another black paint on this project on the doors, and it looks really, really awesome. You got to check it out.